and welcome to another video of a homestead in France. And no, this is not a meditation video, but if you like, we can make one. No, this is actually the start of a week, a very busy week. And before we start, we're just going out in our garden and just breathe in nature, get the energy to make it through the week. No, just kidding. No, welcome everyone. We want to give you an update on all of our projects. But first, because we don't have a lot of furniture in the house yet, we bought a little present for our cats. So look for yourself how it went when we unpacked it and installed it. Well, next an update on the hallway, another round of steaming off all of the wallpapers. And well, we don't make a whole video now with wallpaper on steaming, so fast forward and you see the results. One thing that I found when I was steaming the hallway was a date on the wall. And I think it was a date when they put on the plaster work, or maybe the wallpaper. So yeah, it dated back to '83, so that's already a long time ago. One thing we already could do is paint the ceiling, and that's just plain white. Another day working in the house. Next to the hallway we are also working on the living room. And we removed all the wallpapers and now also painting the ceiling. And we are selecting the colors for the walls that will be matching the flooring, the wooden flooring. And also this week we painting the walls on the bedroom. we had a busy week with lots of things to do, all the small little projects that are started now. And at the end, I hope we can upload this video because, well, we're living in rural France, but we are now still depending on mobile phones for internet. But actually there's something going on, and I just want to let you see the progress, because we are getting fiberglass, so internet. And they dig a trench along our house, and this will be some main connection. So they actually already dig the tubes in here where the fiber will go through, and eventually it will be connected to our house. But in the meantime we ordered a satellite dish, because we thought, okay, since we don't have fiber yet, could be more than a couple of weeks or months, and we need to work from home and do our business here. But even if we have a big garden, it was really difficult to pinpoint the satellite in the east without obstruction of trees. If you can see, well, we have a lot of beautiful trees here. We don't want to cut any of those, just to have temporary internet. So we cancelled the order, and now we have ordered the Starlink, and it will arrive next week. So then we can just put it somewhere in the garden. So then we can work with that in the meantime. And as you can see, at the end of the video, we have a total different view. Well, for once, it's raining in France. Yes, it can actually rain in France. But it's also good, because then we can check our water system and the drainage and the roofs. So for me it's a good thing. I like it once in a while. And also you can do a lot of things indoors, or even watch nature while it's rain and listen to the sound of the rain. So stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Like and subscribe our channel, and we will see you on the next video.